Alright, we're going to make a quick little video. Got some new reloads I'm going to test out here this morning. These are Hornady 115 grain XTPs. I loaded these up with 6.5 grains of power pistol. I've never used power pistol with 9mm before. So what we're going to shoot them out of is I've got my Rock Island 1911. This is the 9mm 22 TCM version. And then we're gonna run 5 rounds through that. Then we're gonna run 5 rounds through the High Point 9mm carbine, and just see what the difference in the speeds are between the two guns. So let's get started. Got the chrono all set up. Got our target on the board. So we'll get started. Okay, we're starting out with the Rock Island. Okay, so that's what our 5-shot group looked like. Our fastest one was 1,306 feet per second, and our slowest one was 1,268 feet per second. So not too far off, a little consistent. Definitely a fast little round. Here's a few pieces of the brass. Primer strikes look good. Nothing's cratered. Those were a little hot. They're only about 0.2 grains under what Hornady calls for, so, in the book, but that's what our brass looks like. Okay, we got the High Point carbine loaded up. Got target set at 25 yards. Damn, those were fast. Okay, there's our data from the High Point carbine. Those were consistent. 14.23 was the fastest. 14.15 was the slowest. Real consistent out of the carbine. And fast. Real fast. There's a few pieces of brass I picked up from we just shot through the carbine. Hopefully that's focusing. Decent primer strikes. I don't see anything dangerous there or scary, so this will probably be one I'll log into my books with the power pistol. Well, there was our group at 25 yards. Hitting a little high even for there, but this gun's actually sighted in with 124 grain blue bullets, so but the group's not too bad. Well, that was a fun video. I enjoyed making that one. So again, that was a 9mm Hornady 115 grain XTP, and we loaded that one with 6.5 grains of power pistol. The case length on those was 1.075. So man, they were fast. They were real fast coming out of that carbine. So pretty cool round. Hope you enjoyed it. Please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you on the next one.